it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and we are about to go pick out our Christmas tree. So I am riding in the van with the littles. We got a lot of space to get the tree, and the boys are coming in Daddy's car. We're gonna go pick out our Christmas tree. So last year we started a tradition where we get a real Christmas tree. Growing up, I had never ever had a real Christmas tree, so it was an experience. But my husband really likes having the real tree, so that's what we're doing again this year. And it's also nice because whenever we go to move, we don't have to move a Christmas tree. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. We'll take you along to show you guys the Christmas trees. We're at Home Depot, so we're not going to a real Christmas tree farm, but Home Depot has real trees, and we're gonna go take a look at those. See the Grinch and Cindy Lou. That one's huge.
This one's already losing meanings too. Well, this one. See, it's not losing already.
This dude, he's a big dude.
It's pretty good size.
That is huge, Luke. Before we decorated our tree, I picked up Panda Express, and we love Panda Express, so I think that's going to be our new Christmas Eve tradition. The baby was not feeling well, so that's why he made that face. And I didn't actually film us decorating the tree, but I am going to show you some of the ornaments. So I went with a red, white, and silver theme, along with these natural wood ornaments that my sister got from Hobby Lobby. We didn't paint them or anything. I just decided to leave them as is. The kids love, the littles especially, I'm sure if you have little children, you know they love pulling ornaments off and putting them back on. So we're definitely dealing with that. I try to get non-breakable ornaments specifically for that reason. We have that elf. He's missing an arm. Something happened to his arm last year, and that's my little cardinal ornament. I love it. It's so cute. We have some gingerbread ornaments, and then those wooden ornaments from Michael's. And then our tree also has a lot of just sentimental ornaments. Those big balls with the names on them, they actually have my baby's first hats and their name bracelets in them. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it that way, but I have for the last few years done it that way. And we have some first Christmas ornaments and some ornaments that the kids made. Just lots of different things. The burlap and snowflake ribbon I got at Walmart last year. I just reused it. And we have white lights and colored lights. I wanted white, my kids wanted colored, so we compromised and did both. But yeah, we just decorated the tree. The bulbs I got new this year at Walmart. I got some white poinsettia clips, burlap bow up there at the top, and a star at the top. And yeah, we had a lot of fun getting our big old tree decorated and ready for Christmas. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Vlogmas videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!